Welcome to the Mental Health Brain YouTube channel. Title: Echoes of Inhumanity. The rain fell relentlessly, a curtain of despair shrouding the small village of Eldridge. Its cobbled streets, once bustling with life, now lay empty and forsaken. In a world on the brink of chaos, the village was but a faint memory of better days. If you like to follow the complete tale, it is available on your own Mental Health Brain YouTube channel. Greetings and thank you for watching. Written and presented by RM Shah. We would appreciate it if you subscribed, liked, shared, followed, commented, and turned on the bell icon. Our next video on your preferred Mental Health Brain YouTube channel will be up soon.